This is Ren. That's Dumpling. Hello, Dumpling. And we got Goose. This is a little bit shy. And then there's Yoki. They're all a bit shy, but they're fine. So Dumpling likes to come in the house, and she sounds like a trumpet sometimes. She has to introduce herself, and then we have to chase her out because she just introduces herself, and then it just goes. Yoki is very calm, and Ren just stole the spotlight. Ren is also like Dumpling. She comes in the house a lot. And then we've got Goose over there. She's quite shy too, like Yoki here. And we always put in no abuse. They also we grow a load of vegetables, so they go in the patches a lot. So I just found Goose in there. They do follow you when you go to the coop as well. So here is their coop. They've got mixed corn and pellets and all sorts. And there's their water. Then in here there's like their perches and stuff. So and they also sleep in there. They're all hens, so that's pretty good. And here's where they lay. That's just a practice egg, and that's mainly it about the coop. And the breeds of the chickens. So Ren and Yoki, which are that one there, are brown hybrids. And then Dumpling is we believe is a road rock. And then Dumpling, who's going behind the greenhouse, I think is a blue Moran or something. But on the website where we got them from, it says a Rutland blue. So mainly in the morning, they don't wake you up much, but they do cluck. So that's mainly the worst thing about them. They just cluck at you. But the thing is, they're really good at cleaning out with like spiders and ants and stuff. And they sort of just scrat around and they get all the tiny insects and stuff. So, yeah. And they also It's okay. They also do sunbathe when it's really warm, and they just sort of sit there with their wing out, and yeah. So there's the pecking order. So when we first got Goose, who's over there, and Dumpling, these two are like a year older than them. These two are only 18 weeks. Dumpling's been laying for a little bit, and Goose laid her first egg Wednesday or Tuesday. Don't know which day. But now, when we first got them, we had to keep Dumpling and Goose in for a day so they could get used to their home. So we did that for a day, but then we had to put the other two in with them. We put the other two in, they started to peck each other. Well, it was mainly just Ren was pecking, but that's all a part of the pecking order. If you get chickens and it starts happening, don't get involved because it's just the pecking order. Because it's like at work you have like bosses and like peasants or something, and that's technically the same as chickens. So you just need to let them do like pecking and stuff until it's all over. So for our pecking order list, it goes Ren, yolky dumpling juice. That's what I think it is. But also if you have chickens and you've got like vegetables, they sort of just eat all your vegetables. There's loads of nibble marks everywhere from where they've been pecking and stuff, even though they have their own food. There still does go pecking going on. So in the morning we have these little, so we have food and water here, but also down here we have some water and we also put some food in, like these little holes and stuff. And here's where we keep all our food, but we do have the little mouse. I don't think it will be out, but we've got, you can see all that corn at the bottom. That's where the mouse has been like eating its way through the corn, and it's like made a hole in it to get all the food out. So we have some corn, and then there's pellets. Got some more stuff there for them. Oh yeah, and here's Oreo. She's a little guinea pig. She's an old little lady. She loves to eat carrot skins. She also, her favourite food's cucumber. But if you do, if you see what she just did there, if you put your finger against the bar, she'll try to eat it. Look. Yeah, so that's mainly all. So yeah, that's mainly all about my chickens and what today's video is about. So bye bye.